At least 31 Palestinians have been killed in a series of Israel airstrikes across Gaza as the ongoing blockade deepens, a humanitarian catastrophe marking by acute hunger and medical shortages. On Wednesday, 13 people were killed in an airstrike that hit Al Karama School in the Tufar neighborhood of Gaza City, according to reports. The school was being used as a shelter. In the north, 3 people died and several were injured when a house in Jabalia was struck, according to reports. In the south, a strike on a home in Khan Yunis killed a father, his children, and their cousins, 5 of them in total, according to reports. In central Gaza's Deir al-Bala, a tent shelter was hit, killing 3, including a child, according to reports. In Bani Sohela village, east of the strip, a husband and wife died in a separate strike, according to reports. Adding to the toll, Gaza's Civil Defense Agency confirmed that 31 people were killed and dozens injured in an Israeli attack on a school sheltering displaced families in the Burej refugee camp. According to media reports, Palestinians are scrambling for cover as strikes rain down on residential buildings and evacuation centers. The Israeli blockade, imposed since March 2nd, has blocked entry of fuel and vital food items, triggering severe shortages. Flour is nearly gone. Aid groups now warn food supplies are on the verge of total depletion. A mother of 6 at a UNRWA shelter told the agency there's nothing left to eat but bread. The agency has called for the siege to be lifted immediately, warning that without urgent international action, the crisis will spiral further. Gaza's health system is collapsing under the pressure. Nearly 90% of hospital beds are occupied. Medical disposables are in short supply. Meanwhile, diplomatic efforts continue. On Wednesday, Egypt and Qatar reaffirmed their commitment alongside the US to securing a ceasefire that can ease the unprecedented humanitarian crisis in Gaza. In a joint statement, the two countries denounced attempts to sow discord and reiterated their united push for an end to the war and its consequences. However, Israel has warned that unless a deal is reached soon, it will escalate its military offensive in Gaza. Hamas has dismissed the talks, saying negotiations are meaningless while the hunger war and extermination of war continues. As starvation spreads, shelters are targeted and diplomacy stalls. The people of Gaza remain trapped under fire with nowhere left to run.